Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check your watch OS version and available storage so installs won't fail. Once paired, open the Phone Companion app and sign into the same account used on the watch. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. They transfer installs and large files. Next, enable automatic app installs in the Companion app if offered. This saves time. Finally, browse the Watch App Store on your phone to locate the app you want and tap Install to start the transfer. Once the transfer starts, prioritize the watch-optimized version. It uses less battery and fits the UI. You'll be prompted to accept permissions, grant only what's necessary, and adjust granular controls in settings if you prefer. If the app offers companion phone features, install both parts in sequence so data syncs correctly. Make sure the watch stays within range and plugged in for large installs. If updates are queued, either let them finish or pause non-critical ones to speed this install. You finish by launching the app on the watch and completing any in-app setup or sign-in steps so sync begins. Make sure background refresh and needed permissions are enabled in Settings apps to allow notifications and data updates. Once functional, test a key feature to confirm connectivity. If the app fails to appear or crashes, restart the watch and phone, then retry the install. If that fails, unpair and repair the companion app to clear connection errors and reattempt installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.